Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make easy and tasty masala fish fry. It takes only 15 minutes to make a tasty masala fish fry like this. Let's move to the video. First, we need to marinate the fish before frying. For that, in a bowl, take 2 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon Kasmiri Chilli Powder, 3/4 teaspoon Coriander Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Turmeric Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Fennel Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Pepper Powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, some curry leaves, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 2 teaspoon rice flour, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Now add 500 grams of cleaned fish cut into pieces like this. You can use any fish to make this masala fish fry recipe. Coat them well. Keep them marinated in a refrigerator for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, we can take the marinated fish for frying. In a pan, take 4 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add marinated fish for frying. Fry until it turns light golden brown color on medium flame. It takes around 4 minutes to get it done. After 4 minutes, flip the side.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 4 minutes, switch off the flame. Easy and tasty masala fish fry is ready. It takes only 15 minutes to make a tasty masala fish fry like this. Just have a try and enjoy the taste.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.